Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more upcoming new videos. So for today's video vlog guys, share ko naman sa inyo yung mga na-haul ko sa Walmart using the rebate app na Ibotta. So kung wala pa kayong Ibotta app guys, download nyo na and then pwede nyo gamitin yung aking referral code para maging ka-team ko na rin kayo. So, sa haul na to guys, meron akong dalawang bonuses na kailangan i-complete. Yung isang bonus is yung March level 1 bonus. 50 cent yun. Meron yung 40 offers. So, 25 na complete ko na and then 15 offers na lang ang kulang. And then yung weekend warrior bonus ko is $5. 15 offers naman yun. So, let's start guys. So first guys, unahin natin itong mga Ritz crackers. So combo yan guys, ang rebate niyan is $2.98. So dapat bilhin mo yung dalawang yan para makuha yung rebates na $2.98. So yung isa is $2.68 and then yung isa is yung cheese crispers is $2.93. So both is $5.61 and then naka-rebates tayo ng $2.98. So $2.63 na lang yung dalawang rates na yan. So next guys, itong Nutella and Go, $1.48 sa store. Ang rebate naman ito is 50 cents. So 98 cents na lang siya. And then sa checkout 51, merong $1 na rebates doon. So after nung $1 guys is 2 set money maker yung Nutella and Go. Next, itong sneakers, 88 cents sa store. Ang rebate naman nito is 25 cents. So after the rebate, 63 cents na lang yan. So next natin guys, itong store liquid. Mas buy 2, $2.98 ang rebates niyan. So $2.98 ang isa, $5.96 yung dalawa. And then each niyan guys, merong $1 na pili coupons. So ginamit ko yon. So after ng rebate na $2.98 at saka yung $2 na pili, 98 cents na lang guys yung dalawang yan. So next guys, itong raisinettes, 98 cents sa store. Ang rebate naman nito is 25 cents. So after the rebate, 73 cents na lang yung raisinette na yan. Next guys, itong Chef Boyardee, 88 cents sa store. Ang rebate naman nito is 25 cents. So after the rebate, 63 cents na lang yan guys. So next guys, itong Lala Yogurt Smoothie, $3.32. Ang rebate naman nito is $1. So after the rebates, $2.32 na lang yung Lala na yan. So ito namang Sara Lee Artisano Potato Bread, $2.68 sa store. Ang rebate naman nito is $1. So after the rebate, $1.68 na lang yung Sara Lee Potato Bread na yan. So next natin, another Sara Lee bread naman to. So Delight, 45 calories, keto friendly, $2.68. Same nung isa, pero ang rebates nito is $1.30. So after the rebates, $1.38 na lang yan. So next natin guys, itong Skintimate Bloom, $7.97 sa store. And then merong $3 na rebate yan sa Ibotta. And then sa coupon.com, meron yang $4 na reimburse. So after nung coupons at saka yung rebates, 97 cents na lang yung razor. So next guy, itong Skintimate refills, $7.97 sa store. And then merong $3 na rebates yan. So, meron akong coupon yan guys na $4 printable coupon. Kaso, hindi ko na ibigay. Nakalimutan ko. So, after nung rebate guys, ano yan? $4.97. So, next natin guys, itong disposable Skintimate razor. $5.97 sa store. And then, $2 naman ang rebate niyan. And then, sa coupon.com, meron niyang $3 na reimburse. So, after nung rebate and yung reimburse, 97 cents na lang. So, next natin guys, itong Degree Maximum Recovery Body Wash yan guys for women. $5.47 sa store. And then, merong $2 na rebate yan. And then, merong $2 na reimburse sa coupon.com. So, after no rebate and reimburse, $1.47 na lang yan. So, next natin guys, itong Degree Maximum Recovery Bar Soap for Men naman yan. $4.97. And then, sa ang rebate naman yan guys is $1.50. And then sa coupon.com, meron niyang $1.50 na reimburse. Pero meron din niyang printable guys kung meron kayo. So after nun, rebate and reimburse, $1.47 na lang yun. So sa Shopkick naman guys, meron niyang 900 kicks kapag binili mo yung dalawang yan. Yung isang Degree for men at saka isang Degree for women. So, yung 900 na kicks na yun guys is equivalent to $3.60. So, after ng mga rebate and then yung mga reimburse sa coupon.com and then yung kicks sa Shopkicks, 16-cent money maker yan. So, next guys, itong Melt or Mold cereal. So, Shopkick naman ito guys. So, ang isa niyan is $3.48. So, both is $6.96. So, dapat guys, dalawa yung bilhin mo kasi bundle yan. Meron yung kicks na 1,700 kicks. And then, kapag in-scan mo yung both, meron makakaano ka pa ng 10 kick each. So, 20 yun. So, 1,720 kicks. Ang equivalent nun is $6.88. So, 8 cents na lang yan guys. So guys, ito na yung aking resibo. Ang subtotal ko is $61.78. Wala pa yung tax doon. Dalawang coupon lang yung ginamit ko dito guys. Yung dalawang $1 coupon na pili dun sa Star Liquid. So after nun, $61.78. And then, nag-scan ako sa Ibotta. Nakuha ko na yung 15 offers, including yung 1 and 3 giveaway. So, 15 offers yun. And then, tapos ko na rin yung March level 1 bonus ko na 50 cent. And then, yung weekend warrior bonus ko na $5. So, ang total earn ko sa mga items na binili ko is $22.01. So, after nung rebates, total lahat guys is $27.51. And then nag-scan din ako sa coupon.com ng reimburse. So naka-receive ako ng $10.50. Sa Shopkick naman, yung kicks, naka-earn ako ng $10.68. And then sa checkout 51, I earn $1. So total na-earn ko guys is $49.69. So, after lahat ng mga kicks and rebates, $12.09 na lang lahat, guys. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.